Hello everyone. In this video lecture series, we are going to discuss about chromosomal aberration such as numerical as well as structural. So let's begin here.
So let's begin with some brief introduction about chromosomal abnormalities. Chromosomal abnormalities means defect in chromosome. This defect can be in number or this defect can be in structure. The example of the numerical abnormalities are polyploidy, aneuploidy, and the example of structural aberrations or abnormalities are deletion, duplication, translocation, and inversion. So let's start with numerical abnormalities. When there is addition or elimination of certain part of chromosome or addition or elimination of whole sets of chromosome, we call it as a numerical abnormalities. So in numerical abnormalities, whenever we talk about changes in a doses of single chromosome, we call it as aneuploid. And when we talk about changes in the whole set of chromosome, whenever we use the term sets of chromosome, then we called it as a polyploid. There is also one more term known as euploid. The organism which carry the whole sets of chromosome means complete sets of chromosome. They are known as euploid organism.